Hello guys, welcome to Learning with Prep Class. I'm your tutor, Adenu. In this video, I'll be solving questions 1 to 5 from the Aqua Basic Tech 2016 questions. After this video, you would have gained understanding on how to carefully select the correct answer when solving questions in Basic Tech. It's usually fun having you guys around, and I know this video will be an awesome session. Do not forget to like and subscribe on our YouTube channel. You can go the extra mile of leaving a comment so we can communicate for effective learning. Without further ado, let's zoom in. Question 1. Which of the following hand gloves is used to prevent electric shock? A. Rubber glove. B. Cotton glove. C. Plastic glove. D. Leather glove. For us to carefully select the correct answer, we need to analyze all of the options and see which one best answers the question. Now, it says which of the following hand gloves is used to prevent electric shock. And we know that in our electrical workshop, that the glove we use to prevent electrical shock is the rubber glove. We must have seen members of the Power Holding Company of Nigeria when they are carrying out some electrical activity. You will always see them put on their rubber glove. So rubber glove is what is used to prevent electric shock. Let's check it out. Question 1, option A, rubber glove is our correct answer. Let's look at the next question. Question 2, working drawing is drawn in orthographic, B, isometric, C, oblique, D, perspective. For us to carefully select the correct answer, we need to have an understanding of this question, and then we can analyze the options and see which one best answers the question. Now, working drawing is part of a production information provided by designers to the construction team to help construct a project. That's what working drawing is. It's an information that is prepared by designers. So the construction team can use what has been designed to replicate the project. Now, if you look at all of these are examples of drawing. Which one of these represents working drawing? And if you look at them carefully, you agree with me that the correct answer is orthographic drawing. It ought to be orthographic drawing written here. So we'll take orthographic. Why? Because orthographic basically is a drawing whereby it is drawn exactly the way the project should be done. So we can call it a blueprint drawing, whereby we draw a project and just the same way it is drawn is the same way it will be constructed. So our correct answer would be orthographic. So working drawing is drawn in orthography. Let's check it out. Question 2, option A, orthographic, is our correct answer. Let's look at the next question. Question 3. The diagram shown is A, diode, B, cathode, C, transistor, D, gas discharge tube. For us to carefully select the correct answer, we need to have an understanding what this diagram represents. We analyze the options and see which one best answers the question. Now, if you look at this diagram above, the question is saying, what does it represent? So I'm going to be showing you pictures of various diagrams. Then with that, we can select our correct answer. Now, look at the diagram in question. Look at this other diagram. This is the diagram we call a diode, made up of an anode and a cathode. So a diode, which is in the option, is not our correct answer. We also have option B, the cathode. This is also a diagram of a diode that contains anode and cathode. So this diagram doesn't look like this. So the cathode is not our correct answer. Option C, we have the transistor. This is the diagram of a transistor. And if you look at the diagram in question and you look at this, it is still not our correct answer. But look at this other diagram. This is the diagram of a gas discharge tube. If you pay attention here, you will see this diagram is similar to this diagram. So correct option to our answer would be option D, gas discharge to. That will be our correct answer. Let's check it out. Question 3, the diagram shown is gas discharge to. Alright, let's look at the next question. Question 4, gear ratios are used to determine the A, number of teeth on the gear, B, size of the gears, C, relative speed of gears, D, efficiency of the gear. For us to carefully select the correct answer, we need to have a good understanding of the question, then we can analyze the options and see which one best answers our question. Now, our question is centered on gear ratios. What is it used to determine? We're going to be looking at this explanation, and with that, we'll come to the understanding of our question and we'll select the correct answer. Let's check it out. Now, it reads, if you know the ratio speed of the driver wheel, which is usually measured in revolutions per minute, the gear ratio tells you the speed of the driven wheel. For example, consider a system with a gear ratio of 3:1, which means the driver wheel spins 3 times as fast as the driven wheel. So the gear ratio is used to measure the speed of the driven wheel. So let's go back to our question. So what would be our correct answer? The correct answer to question 4 would be the relative speed of gears. Relative speed of gears will be our correct answer. Let's check it out. Question 4, option C, relative speed of gears is our correct answer. Let's look at the next question. Question 5. The diagram represents A, orthographic, B, isometric, C, oblique, D, perspective. For us to carefully select the correct answer, we need to analyze all of the options and see which one best answers our question. Now, in looking at this diagram, we have a projection showing 45 degrees. So it basically means which one of these drawings deals with a projection of 45 degrees. And you agree with me that the correct answer is the oblique. Oblique is the drawing amongst these options which deals with a projection of 45 degrees. Let's check it out. Question 5, option C, oblique is our correct answer. Alright, this is how far we can go in this video. I hope we had fun. Our answers came by so easy. I'm using this time out to ask us to join our WhatsApp group using this link below so we can get updates on more videos to come, or we can ask questions and comment on the previous videos we've seen. It was fun having you guys around. Till I come your way again. Bye.